My name is Nishant, and today I represent Landis& Gyr, and I'm going to show you what are all the new technologies that are in place for the smart grid or AMI solutions. So what we are going to do today is I'll show you all the way from generation till the smart control. These are the different ways in which electricity can be generated via hydropower, nuclear power, solar power and wind power. Once the electricity gets generated, it goes to different types of substations, the step up and the step down substations, and finally it comes to user. We as user, we want to make our life much more easier, and how we can make our life much more easier, that is where Landis & Gyr and Toshiba are working hard to provide a smart community solution. What we are doing over here is, you might have seen like government has got a lot of emphasis on smart meters. So these are our smart meters. What is smart over here is, this particular meter has got a communication device and connectors. These connectors can be used for connect and disconnect. These smart devices are giving data back to the control center at every time. What happens is, this is a new technology based on RF. Earlier technologies were based on GPRS and all those things. The only problem with GPRS technologies was every time you had a running cost. Now in this RF you don't have any running cost. The data comes through these meters and reaches the control center. Once the data is at the control center, the person who is sitting at substation, he is able to monitor each and everything, and we can reduce the kind of thefts and enable our consumers. The data goes all the way to the smart control center, where it gets attached to different systems which are already there in the utility. Now the good thing about all this data is irrelevant unless and until we have provided the data in a good manner to all the different people or stakeholders that are in the system. What we have seen is, in this particular whole smart grid, there are three important people whom, if we do not provide data in a correct way, there is no point in having this particular information or a smart system. First is the consumers. Consumers are the people whom we are working for. There are applications which are given directly to the consumers, where consumers can monitor their energies live. They will be given alerts whenever their peak demand is reached or power factor is breached. By doing those things, we are stressing or reducing the stress on the grid. Now, this is the consumers. Consumer will have the apps in his hand. These are free of cost apps. You can go ahead and use it. Now in this food chain, there is an executive or the CEO or the top level management who are always asking for the reports. What we have given is an executive eagle eye. Executives are always interested about revenue, AT&C losses, outage management and all those things. These are the things which government is also pressing, that how do we reduce these particular points. Executive will have live runtime information available on them. Another thing which is very important is the field force, who are enabling this whole system to work properly. What we have got is apps for the field force. These field force people will be having this particular applications, and they'll be coming to know whether their system is working fine or not. If I see just over here, you will be able to see whether this particular region is working, how many meters are in green, how many in red. They can go and start attending those particular situations. Now what we want to say is, government in itself is trying to focus few reform programs via IPDS, Deen Dayal and Uday, which can be used by utilities, so that this whole systems become a smarter community, and Toshiba and Landis & Gyr, they are trying their best to make this possible.
I am SM Lahiri, Senior General Manager Marketing from Toshiba Transmission and Distribution Systems India Private Limited. As you are all aware that Toshiba is into the transmission and distribution sector in India, and in Electrama we are very proud to share with you that we have launched this product, which is called a solid insulated switchgear, which is SF6 gas free solid insulated switchgear in 33 kV class. The advantage of this product is it is very compact, reliable, environmental friendly, occupies very less space and very safe in operation, because there is a minimum possibility of internal arc as well as earth fault are very minimum. So this product Toshiba developed in 2002 in Japan, and more than 1200 products are already, SIS panels are already in operation in various parts of the Japan. And India, we have a full dedicated facility where we will be making this product and we will be supplying to India as well as the globe.